Hey y'all, it's your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, and we're here today with our ASL review. So, welcome to Create and Relate ASL Style. What we're going to do is review every alphabet and every word that we've gone over so far. So, let's get right to it. The letter A. Don't forget your apple with the stem, A, which leads us right into the word apple. Apple. So it's like your X. You haven't gotten there yet, and you just stroke your cheek a couple of times. Apple. Okay? And what we do is art. So we have our paper. We're going to take our pinky and just draw a line. Art. Art. Okay? Once again. A. Apple. Art. Okay? Now we have the letter B. B. Ball. Ball. Begin. Begin. Okay? B. Ball. Like you're holding a ball. And begin. You're sticking the key in the ignition and you're starting it up. Begin. Okay? The letter C. Okay? Color. Just wiggle your fingers at your chin. Color. Crochet. Your hook across your yarn. Crochet. And cut. You got your paper and you're just going to cut it. Okay? Once again. C. Color. Crochet. And cut. Okay? Here we go with the letter D. Pointer up. 3 fingers down. Thumb touching your middle finger. D. Okay? And with that we have decrease. You take what's here and you're bringing it to less. So decrease. Okay? And then we have drop. Getting rid of it. Throwing it away. It's gone. Drop. Okay? And then there are 2 ways to do the next one. And I will show you both. You can do the letter D down to your elbow, which is day, or you can do a flat hand down to the elbow, day. I like the flat hand. Day. Day. Okay? If you look at it, it's like from the 12 o'clock hour around to say 3-ish, or from the way it's going, but it's letting you know the first part of the day. Okay? Once again, D, day, decrease, drop. Okay? Now on to the letter E. Crunch those fingers up. E. Okay? The first word we have is each. Okay, if you want to point out each and every one, each. Okay, and then easy. That's so easy. All right, and now for edge, or border, or rim, or ledge. Edge. Edge. You want a smooth edge. Okay, once again, the letter E. Each. Easy. Edge. Okay? Now on to the letter F. F. Or as long as those last 3 fingers are up. F. Okay? forget, forgot. Oh, I forgot. Okay. And then from there, we want to frog it. We're just ripping it out, tearing it apart. Frog. That's for us. That's not the animal frog. That's frogging in reference to crocheting, knitting, or any artwork that we're taking apart. So frog. Okay? And in reference to the positions, front. Front. It's right in front of you. Okay? Once again, F. Forget. Frog. Front. Okay, now on to the letter G. Those little pincers. G. Okay? And graph. Your 4 fingers, this is your paper. Lines down, lines across. That is your graph. Okay? Graph. Okay? Now, group. Group. That's where you're bringing everything together. Just like ball, but you're bringing it together. You're not just holding up a ball. You're bringing it in. Okay? So, group. Right? Now, grow. Grow. Starting with that seed and growing into a tree. Grow. One more time. G. Graph. Group. Grow. Got it? And on to the last letter that we've done so far, the letter H. We've got 2 fingers for that pincer now. H. Okay? First thing we have is our halo. You know that yarn that's got the halo. Halo. Okay? And then from there, when we have our big yarn hauls. Haul. You have your hitch. Hitch them together. Pull it across. Haul. It's your yarn haul. Or your yarn haul. And then, which lots of us need lots of times, help. 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 Once again, the letter H. Halo. Haul. Help. Okay? Now we're going to go through all of that one more time. Okay? So we're going to start with the letter A. Apple. Art. B. Ball. Begin. C. Color. Crochet. Cut. D. Day or day. Decrease. Decrease. And drop. E. Each. Easy. Edge. F. Forget or forgot. Frog. And front. G. Graph. Grow. And group. H. Halo. Haul. Help. How'd you do? Like I said, at any time, if you need to go back and look at these, slow them down if you need to, play it as many times as you need to. But those are letters A through H pertaining to our crafts, and I'll throw up a little quiz in a few days. Give you time to go over this one. If you have any questions for me, please drop them in the comments or go to my community page and drop me comments. If you have any pictures you want to show me of how you're doing it, that is one tip I want to give you. There are a few ways to learn to receive sign language as well. Learning to understand it. You can video yourself doing it, so you're seeing yourself as you're doing it. So that's one way. Number two, you can do it in a mirror. Do those things in a mirror to see you're getting that visual of it being done back to you. Or you can teach someone else, and as they're doing it back to you, that's a double way. They're learning from you and you're learning from them. Because it's more than just doing it. If you go through and learn all of these and you're just doing them, when someone else does it back, it's not quite the same if you're not used to seeing it back. Okay? So let's work on teaching somebody else what we know so far. Okay? You guys go about and have a wonderful day. Don't forget, self-love is the greatest love of all, because you can't give anyone else the love they deserve unless you love yourself the way you deserve, and you deserve the best. Until we meet each other again, know that I love you, and peace.